If you're looking for a luxury residence in Bukit Bintang city centre, you must look at this Orion Residence, a freehold development sitting on 0.56 acre of land. Orion comes from a name of prominent set of stars visible during winter in the northern celestial hemisphere. This is a location map of Orion Residence, and you can see Orion just located here, just 200 meters away from our Pavilion shopping mall. And this we just right behind the Star Hill Gallery and Fahrenheit. It's around this area. And from Orion to our financial hub Tun Razak Exchange, just 900 meters. You can see what behind of me is a Pavilion Bukit Bintang shopping mall. And you can do your shopping, your luxury shopping over here because we got just so many branded items here. And where I'm standing at is a Star Hill Gallery. You also can enjoy your shopping experience at this area. And now you can see what over there, that one is Orion Residence. From here to Orion, it takes about 200 meters. Its walking distance is about 3 to 5 minutes only. And from this area, actually, it's surrounded by 3 5-star hotels too. It's a Westin Hotel, JW Marriott, and Ritz-Carlton. In Orion, you do not have to worry how to park your luxury vehicle because you can just use our automated concierge parking service system. So another option for you, you can just drive to our lobby here and just pass your car key to our valet service. And if you don't want to drive your car around the city center because too jammed, you can just use our VIP touring service by our luxury vehicle. After you parking your car and enter to the lobby, you also can enjoy the beautiful night view of Bukit Bintang city center by using this lift. This is a first high-speed outdoor glass lift in the Southeast Asia. You can from the lobby travel to our sky dining area at level 43 to 46 to enjoy your lunch or your dinner. And you feel tiring, want to go out and do your shopping, you can just do your own shopping in our mezzanine floor because we have ready the high-end jewelry retail shop here, and you can shop in your residence. And you do not need to worry about you shop too many luxury goods here in Malaysia and you want to travel around the world because you can place it at your private showcase, which is secured by the private security vouch company. This unit is 123 square meters. Where are you standing is a main door for this unit. One entering will be divided into 2 areas or 2 places because this is a dual key unit. So this left door and right door, left hand side is a studio unit and right hand side is a family house, 2 room, 2 bathroom. So once we come in, let me guide you to the studio unit. So after this corridor, you are entering to your wine area. So you can enjoy your wine just in this, we call it master room. So this is a studio area or the master room of the unit, and here still got some spaces. It's a very big area, like the king size bed we provide, the TV we provide, and from here we enter to your changing area. It's your walk-in wardrobe and direct connect to our toilet, our bathroom. So the accessory, the bathroom accessory, all are provided, and you can see our tiles is a marble tiles, and the bathtub and the basin all we provided in the Coiler brand. And now, let me guide you to this unit family area, which is the 2 room, 2 bathroom area. And when we come out through this corridor, so for this unit, you can see it's very good for the privacy. So if you want to have some privacy with your family, you can choose this layout. So after I exit the studio room, when I want to enter to this room, I have to open another door. So coming to here, once entering, my left hand side is your kitchen area. So you can do your cooking for your family over here. All the things are provided, like the branded hood and hob with microwave. And all the kitchen cabinet is provided. And there is a fridge. Where's the fridge provided? Is here. This is a hidden fridge. It's a Bosch brand. The Bosch brand for the fridge will provided together with the washing machine later. And once entering behind here, this is your living hall and dining area. So the 6-seater dining set, dining chair, dining table were provided. And here over here is very huge. So you can put a 3-seater and 2-seater sofa here. So, and you can enjoy a very wide view of your TV show. And now let me guide you to the laundry area. It's over here. The laundry is hide behind this door. So the washer and dryer 2+1, the washing machine is over here. It's a Bosch brand. And come toward this area. Okay, let me show you, this is your family area. For my left hand side is the bathroom. It's a common bathroom, and your bedroom one bathroom. Your bedroom one is here. On my right hand side here is your master room for this area. So let me show you to the master room first. Once entering, you can see the size is quite big, and you can put your queen size or king size bed over here, and your wardrobe is over this area. And what behind here is your bathroom. So for this bathroom, we also provide you the bathtub, the shower screen, and also the marble tiles. And for the accessory, like the basin, like the bathtub, we will provide in the Coiler brand. And now, let me show you to the common bathroom. So this is a common bathroom. It's the same size. It's the same things we will provide lah, like the marble tiles, like the accessory. But you can just ignore this thing over this toilet. It's this wall. Because this is a structure of our showroom, so you just can ignore this. So in actual, for this bathroom will be slightly bigger, so without this. And you can enter actually for this bathroom, you can enter through this common area, or you can enter through this bedroom one. So you can actually change this area become your study room, or you can remaining as your guest room. So the wardrobe will be here, and your bed will be here. And all the units aircon will be in a centralized aircon system. So another thing is, you can see, this is just now what I mentioned is, this door is from bedroom 1 to enter to the bathroom. So you can just ignore this structure wall, because this is just our show unit, current show unit structure. So in your actual unit, this will not exist. So your actual entrance to this bathroom is this one. If you're interested to know more, you can find my contact in the description below.